In this demo, I'm going to explore Dune. Dune turns raw blockchain data into insightful, easy to understand visualizations. Now, anyone from casual enthusiasts to data scientists can create beautiful dashboards from blockchain information. Let's dive in. First, you'll go to dune.com. You can sign in with your Web3 wallet or sign in with your email. In this demo, we're going to create a dashboard and we're going to do a query. To create a new dashboard, you're going to select Create in the top left. You'll see you can create new query or a dashboard. Right now, I'm going to select New Dashboard. You'll give your dashboard a name, SheFi example. You'll want to make it private, and then you can save and open. I've already created one dashboard and I'm using a free account, so I'm going to cancel for now, but you would click Save and Open. To find the dashboard I've already created, I'm going to select the library button next to Create. Then I will click on my dashboard. Next, I'll show you how to populate your dashboard with information. First, you're going to select Edit. Then you can choose to add text, or you can choose to add a visualization. Let's add a visualization. You can search your own queries, but if you don't have any, you can select Show Queries from Other Users. Now you can type in a keyword: Celo, Uniswap, Ethereum, DEXs, any keyword you want. Since we just finished a session on trading tokens, I'm going to search Uniswap. When you see the list of queries, the icons on the left of the name will show you what type of visualization it is. A bar graph, a pie chart, a list. Let's take a look. Here's a bar chart called Uniswap Top 15 Active Users. Let's add it and see what happens. You'll select the Add button on the right. And now you'll see we have a bar chart of the top 15 users on Uniswap. You can add as many visualizations or text as you like to your dashboard. When you are done, select the Done button in the top right. Now, since we've created our first dashboard, let's create our first query. Querying just means asking the blockchain a question. This question will help you gather information and turn it into that visualization. I cannot stress enough that it's incredibly easy to get started with Dune queries. You do not have to know SQL, the language that the blockchain understands, to gather this information to complete your query. You can go to the bottom and select one of their 3 examples to run your first query, or you can type in words and it will generate one for you. Let's type one in about Uniswap. When you've typed your question, you can select Submit. Now Dune is creating your human question into a query that the blockchain can understand. Once Dune is done creating the query, it automatically populates the SQL into the code box. Now you're going to select the Run button. It will return the information from your question to you in a table. To see it in a different format, you can select the New button and you can choose a different chart. In this bar chart, we can see the activity on Uniswap over the past week. To switch the format, just select the New button and click a different visualization. Once you're done querying the blockchain and creating your visualization, you can click the Save button in the top right. You can choose to make it private or public. I think for the purposes of this, I will choose to make it private. Then I will select Save. If you go to Library, you can always access your dashboard or query on the left-hand bar by selecting Dashboard or Query. If you would like to discover other people's queries, you can select Discover in the top, or you can even search using keywords again. And that is how you both create a dashboard and create your first query on Dune Analytics. The amazing thing about Dune is it's connected to over 75 blockchains. So there's a lot of power at your fingertips to ask it information about any of those blockchains or any of the applications on them, and for you to create easy to understand visualizations from it. Hopefully you see how easy it is to ask the blockchain for information and turn it into something beautiful for someone else to understand. Be sure to give us a follow here on YouTube at SheFi.org to see more tutorials of different crypto applications.